Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear the cache in the Nike Training Club app to improve your performance and fix the common issues. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, go to the General and then iPhone Storage, and then scroll down until you find Nike Training Club and tap on it. Step 2. You will see the Offload app option. Tap it to remove the app but keep your data, and then reinstall it. This is Apple's way of clearing the cache of the app. Step 3. If you're on Android, you can go to Settings, and then Apps, and then Nike Training Club, and then tap the Storage and Cache. Step 4. Tap the Clear Cache. Avoid clearing the storage unless you want to log in again. Step 5. Relaunch the app. You should notice improved responsiveness and fewer loading issues. Clearing the cache can help resolve login errors, stuck loading screens, and syncing problems. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.